next week. Perfect. Let me check availability for the last one for December 2023. And one moment, please. Thank you for waiting, Miss Riberal. We have a deluxe room available for your day. The total cost for this stay is 7,000 pesos with your tax. Would you like to proceed with the booking? Yes, please. Great. May I have your contact number and email address to confirm your reservation?
My phone number is 935-794-7993 and my email is riberalpc@gmail.com.
Thank you. May I also have your credit card to secure the booking?
Sure, here's my credit card. So number is 3885 and 1418.
Thank you. May I also thank you, Ms. Riberal. Your reservation is confirmed for a deluxe room for December 20 to 23. Check-in time is 2 p.m. and check-out time is 10 p.m. Reserve a confirmation email shortly. This very anything else I can assist you.
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Riberal. We look forward to your stay. Have a great day.
Good morning, Mom. I am Miss Riberal. Welcome to my hotel. How may I assist you today? I would like to confirm. Of course, Mom. May I have your name, please? Thank you, Mr. Yabas. What dates would you like to make the reservation? Yeah, and how many guests will be staying? And what type of room would you like to prepare? We have standard room, deluxe room, and food options available. Perfect. Let me check the availability for the deluxe room for from December 20 to 23. One moment, please. So stay there for what we can do in Villabas. We have a deluxe room for a room available for your kids. The total cost for the stay is 7,000 including the taxes. So would you like to proceed the booking? So great. May I have a contact number and email address to confirm your reservation? Thank you. May I also take a credit card to secure your booking? Thank you, Ms. Villabas. Your reservation is confirmed for the last room from December 20 to 23. Check-in time is 2 p.m. and the check-out is 10 a.m. So your confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you? You're welcome, Ms. Villabas. We look forward for you to stay at Maayos Hotel. Have a great day.
Good morning. Thank you for calling Maayos Hotel. How can I assist you today?
I'd like to make a reservation.
Certainly. Let me open your reservation system. May I have your name, please?
Easy the brand.
Oh, thank you, Ms. Riberal. What date did you want to ask?
From December 20 to 23.
Got it. How many guests will be staying in the room?
Just myself.
Oh, thank you. Let me check out the availability for this, please. One moment, please. We have a few options available. A standard room at 1,500 per night and the deluxe room at 2,500 per night.
And take the deluxe room.
Perfect. The total for your stay will be 7,500 pesos, including taxes. May I have your contact number and email address to finalize the booking?
Sure, my phone number is 085-134-7553 and my email number is riberalpc@gmail.com.
Thank you. How would you like to secure the booking? Access credit card and other payment methods?
I'll use my credit card. My credit card number is 44-111-663.
Thank you, Ms. Riberal. Your reservation has been successful. Please enter your confirmation number 00657. I'll also email your confirmation details. Check-in time is 2 p.m. and check-out is 10 p.m. Thank you. Is there anything else you can assist with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Riberal. We look forward to your stay. Maayos.
good restaurant nearby.
Certainly, what kind of cuisine are you interested in?
Something that you can recommend?
I recommend Oma restaurant. It's a short walk from here as excellent review. Let me make you a reservation.
Thank you so much, Mom.
You're welcome. Enjoy your dinner. Do let me know if you need anything further assistance during your stay. Good morning, Casey. Are you ready for the night audit?
Yes, I've completed all the necessary transactions and report for the day.
Oh, excellent. Let's begin the audit process.
Okay. So, anything unusual to report today?
Nothing out of the ordinary. Everything seems to be in order. Good morning, Ma'am. I'm interested in learning more about club membership.
So, welcome and happy to be providing our information. So, we have different amenities like you can connect our Wi-Fi or you can go swimming to our swimming pool on the third floor.
This sounds great. Can I see a membership application?
Here's